Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a quick video on Procore Explorer's new Legacy Owner Invoice Export available in modern experience. Mouthful there. But basically what it looks like it is the ability to export the old version, the legacy version of the owner invoice inside of the new interface. So I'd recommend everyone using the modern interface, but I do know a couple people are like, I don't like the way it exports. My client's used to the way it used to export. Can we go back to that? And the answer until today was no, but maybe you have to. Not sure I like how they're calling it, but we'll talk about that in a second. So let's first show you what it looks like now. This is the modern interface. If you're not using this yet, go ahead and try it. When you column view and export, click here, you only see industry standard. That's really AIA kind of standard there. Current configuration lets you see exactly what's on here. Remember, you can minimize and expand. You can turn on and off columns here and make sure that they're available, and you'll get exactly what you are. That stickiness will continue through the rest of the invoice process, but you don't have a ability to set that up. One thing that would be great is company or client standards in here, and we can make that happen hopefully down the road. Procore. So let's go ahead and activate this, join the program. Again, apply it to the company, specific projects, or specific users. I'm going to go ahead and save and join that. It's going to refresh this in just a second. Now let's go ahead back to our owner invoice, our client invoice, I like to call it, and refresh it. Don't have it yet. Okay, I went ahead and logged in and logged out, and now I'm back to where that invoice is. We got industry standard. We got our current layout and our historic standard. Maybe rename that or make a place available for us to go ahead and set that up. So we're going to do a quick export PDF. Let's see what we got. It'd be great if this was sped up a little bit. When we get to the end of the month, it kind of goes pretty slow, but this one wasn't too bad. So let's download that. So that's the old way. Looks good. Old organization. And let's just go ahead and download the industry standard real quick and show you the difference. Go ahead and download. The new one actually went a little faster. So here's the new one. Old one cover sheet looks almost identical. The continuation sheet is different. Here you have your pay app inversion and information at the top. On this new one, you do not. You can group it a little bit different. I didn't group this one at all, so the historic one already predefined. So I think it's good to have this extra option. I wish you would call like a standard grouping or something like that. That would probably be better. I wouldn't call the historical standard, or maybe call it industry breakdown or something like that. I don't know off the top of my head here, but potentially better ways to call it. So yeah, go ahead and implement this one. It should appear for people down the road. Probably don't really need to announce this to everyone, just have it there available for them. So with that, have a wonderful rest of your day.